This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Julie Liebler. Charming 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom ranch home on a huge corner lot. Large bedrooms, updated bathroom, and an open floor plan. Hardwood floors throughout. There is also a unique backyard bonus shed, which was built in 2017, a 2-story, heated and cooled shed with power and a full bathroom. Neighborhood park is just blocks away, fantastic neighbors, and conveniently located super close to the oceanfront, naval bases, and the interstate. This one is a must-see. December 26, 2024. For more information, review the details below.